Hey there, welcome to this video. Today we are diving into how you can cash out from Prizepicks. I will walk you through the process step by step. So first up, there is a step-by-step guide on Prizepicks official support website. So go over the official support website and follow with me all the steps of the process. Once you are there, you'll see how easy it is to cash out your hard-earned winnings. Just make sure you have got at least $10 in your account to get started. Scrolling down, you'll find a breakdown of the withdrawal process, from meeting playthrough requirements to requesting your cash. If you are up north in Canada, keep an eye out for some extra info tailored just for you. If you meet any problems along the way, no worries. Prizepicks offers the possibility of a live support. Just click on the chat icon and you will be chatting with an helpful support team in no time. That's all there is to it. Cashing out from Prizepicks makes simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for turning in.